Bonnie. I am back with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. This one is $25. I'm down to two beauty boxes now. I get Ipsy Plus and I get BoxyCharm, and then I get the Luxe box every quarter. It's funny because 3 years ago when I started my channel, I had been a beauty blogger. I became a beauty vlogger, but my kind of real passion lies with more lifestyle stuff, kind of like the decorating, the candles, the Bath and Body Works. I kind of like doing a mix of stuff. So my channel's kind of morphed a little bit into doing some beauty boxes, some hauls, some shop with me. So I hope you subscribe because I like to have a lot of fun with this kind of stuff. But one of the problems with the beauty boxes is that you tend to accumulate a lot of tiny, tiny, like little samples. And I was noticing, like with Birchbox, I have a sample that was like this big. I'd use a little bit. I kind of like it, but I wasn't motivated to buy it because all of the stuff I use from the beauty boxes because to me, it's the most economical thing you can do. For example, we've got the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is awesome. It's basically a hydrating mask. Leave it on 3 to 5 minutes. Leave on all night. I will use this up for like a month, and then I'll switch to something else. But I love the fact that we get this nice full-size product, so you're not using it once and going, oh, I wish I could use that again. So that's why I love the beauty boxes, and I'm getting these at such a discount. I don't think, I can't remember. They didn't give me a book this. I don't think I have a book. Usually Ipsy gives me like a little book, I thought, unless I'm confused. But I don't have a book. That's okay. But I'm guessing this is at least a $20 value. I'll have to look up the values on this. Next up at Ipsy, I'm so excited. We have got the Be Beautiful Farah brush collection. I love brushes. I collect brushes. I have so many of them, but that's okay. That's one thing that I don't mind having a ton of are the brushes because, I mean, you can use them over again. You know, once you wash them, they're good as new. Where are my scissors? I've got scissors on my desk now so that I can actually see that. Oh my gosh, look at how awesome these brushes are. So, I mean, for me, this box was just worth it for the brushes and the haba. I mean, that paid for the box. But, but wait, there's more. So next up, we have this is the, what is this stuff? Sundays? At first I thought this was Sunday Riley, but it's not. It's called Sundays. I'm not sure what this is. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's nail polish. I thought this was some sort of cream. I believe this is a nail polish. It's a nail polish. Holy cow. Okay, it's a green nail polish from Sundays. I've never heard of this brand. Why do you want to smell everything? It smells like nail polish. It's human nature when you pull something out that you want to smell it. It's so funny. So anyway, we got this cool green bottle of nail polish. It's a cute color. I don't usually get that color. Next up, we've got from Goldfaden MD, a Doctor's Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. That is not a bad thing. I'll probably use this up. A little exfoliating cream. Is that a slinky on there? Holy cow, why is there a slinky on my exfoliating cream? Maybe it's not a slinky. It looks like a slinky. Oh, I'm just being goofy today. And the final thing, which I'm so excited about, is we got the balm in the palm of your hand. It was coming out the other end. This is the Greatest Volume 2 palette. I actually really like the balm. Reminds me of Seinfeld. Kramer and the balm. But anyway, this is a really neat palette. Check this out. We have 5 eyeshadows and we have 4 blushes. And, oh, look at the Alice Cooper Rockstar palette. Oh, that's really pretty, isn't it? It's a really nice color for fall. Look at that. That's awesome. I am also liking this Firm Nude, like a shadow liner. That's a really pretty color for fall. I've been wearing a lot of browns for fall. And then we've got this cool highlighter. This is the Mary Lou Manizer. Don't even know who that is. But anyway, Awesome palette there. And you know, it's funny because I've actually been looking for a couple new blushes, and these look like they're like right up my alley. I'm really liking this one on the end, this kind of berry one. Long wearing staining powder blush. That looks pretty cool. So anyway, I am super thrilled. It has a mirror on it with this palette. So overall, yay Ipsy Plus bag. Like I said, I'm only getting the two beauty boxes now, Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I do still get Walmart too because it's like $5. I think they just shipped that one. But like I said, if you're looking into getting a beauty box, consider Ipsy Plus and the BoxyCharm because to me those are the best. They really are. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I got so much more coming. I just ordered some Goose Creek candles. Bath and Body Works, holy moly, their entire new line is coming out with that Bonfire Bash pink velvet cupcake. There's some body butter I hear. I am so excited. So I will be going in. If you want to check the video out I just did, I just ranked my fall candles 1 through 28. That's going to be a fun video. So anyway, hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.